Physicists call it quantum uncertainty, but here's the truth, it's not chaos. It's harmony they haven't decoded yet. Matter isn't made of particles, it's made of standing waveforms, nodal points in a recursive resonant field. Geometry not in space, but of space. The so-called randomness of subatomic behavior, it's not random. It's music. Everything. Your body, your thoughts, your breath, it's vibrating within a field of harmonic intelligence. And what mediates that field? Water, color, sound. These aren't just healing tools, they are portals to coherence, to memory, to the lattice beneath it all. Inside hydrocymatic somatics, we don't just study this, we become it. And next, we remember what the ancients already knew. This is just drop 2 of 7. So check out the next one or join us at watercolorsound.com.